Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with AVON. We are going to do a quick morning makeup tutorial. So I hope you're all doing great and you're finding ways to spark joy in your life. Today, this is sparking joy with me. I am loving this fresh bergamot and wild mint lotion. I've been lotioning down after my shower, and just like you add that extra scent to your skin and it feels good. These just launched this campaign, so I'm super impressed. And they're vegan, they're paraben free, toxin free, all the good things. So it gotta smell good. It sparks joy in your life. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know I'm in love with that vitamin C serum, that Belif Aqua Bomb, my Depuffing eye serum, and my vitamin C brightening eye cream. I'm all bright. This morning we're going to go in with our VDL Lumelayer Metal Cushion Primer. I've been playing with this and I'm loving it. So it's comes like a little compact, and this pushes down. So you take your Ruby Cell Puff and you push it down, and then your primer comes through these little holes. And then you just pick it up right here. There you go. And you apply it to your face. I don't know why I took my fingers out. I don't know. So then you're just going to apply, and instead of having to rub it in with your fingers, you can just apply it with your little Ruby Cell Puff. Everybody needs some Ruby Cell Puff in their life. So I'm interested today to learn what sparks joy in your life. It feels like that we're in a time when you're afraid to talk about what makes you happy and what brings you joy. But I'm going to be the change. We're going to talk about what brings us joy, because it's easy to get caught up in all the mayhem and forget that joy is what people need. And so I was having a conversation with my little one this morning, and he was watching, he's a YouTuber, and he was watching on YouTube a video of a church, like a church reconstruction or remodel or something like that. Anyway, he was all into it, and I was like, are you going to build a new church, Lucas? I'm going to use Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream this morning. And I said, are you going to build a new church, Lucas? And he was like, yeah, for Cooper. And I said, are you going to build a church that your dog can go to? And he goes, yeah. So apparently that's what sparks him joy, is a church that his dog can go to. He's always upset when we go to church on Sundays and we can't take Cooper with us. So I guess he's going to build the first church that dogs can go to. Do you guys know of a church like that? Because I'm thinking maybe we should visit and take our Cooper so that Lucas can take his dog to church. I guess dogs need church too, right? I think we all need some church and some God right now. Okay, so with that, I just picked it up from my hand and I'm blending it into my skin. You can tell with that beauty blender, I'm just lightly tapping it in. I learned a few months ago that you don't want to be swiping your makeup on, because then you're going to have swiping lines. But nobody wants swiping lines. Instead, if you will just gently just pat it in. Let me know in the comments, am I sideways to you guys? Like, am I only on half of the screen? It seems like when I'm checking my replays, I'm only on half of the screen. I'm not sure what's going on. So I don't know if I need to scoot back some. I don't know. Anyway, so what sparks your joy? I'd love to hear your ideas. What makes you happy? For me, it is a golf cart ride through the field, looking at the cows and the wildflowers. Cashmere Complexion in shade Mocha. We're going to use this for our eyes. Or a sunset. Sometimes it's just sitting on my back porch watching my kids swing. Just the calmness of an afternoon is what brings me joy. Good morning, Deborah. How are you? Okay, so we're going to take that ring finger and we're just going to pat that in. Let me know in the comments what brings you joy. You know, I don't think it has to be a huge production. It can sometimes just be the sweetness of just quiet. especially as a mom with 2 super busy boys. Quietness is not something that we have a lot around here. I'm going to do just the strap down. The nose, I have some extra redness today because my allergies are going nuts and I'm blowing my nose like nobody's business. So I'm going to cover that up just a little bit. Okay, good. All done. This morning, we are going to go ahead and go in with that Magix dust and dust our face with a little bit of Magix. Doesn't that sound heavenly? Doesn't that bring joy to you? A little bit of dust on there. Tap it out. And then just lightly patting it. It's going to set our makeup for the day. And it's also going to help a little bit with that mattify look. I know that the glowy, dewy look is what's on trend. And we got that with that Lumelayer primer. But I guess I'm a little bit aged out on the glowy skin. I like a little bit of matte. Definitely you could use a Magix tint, like our tinted moisturizer. I'm pulling that out for you. Like our tinted moisturizer over that Lumelayer. And it would definitely give you that glowy, dewy kind of look, kind of a wet look on your face. Let me know in the comment section, what do you prefer, a matte or are you a glowy? Because I'll do a glowy look for y'all if you want me to give it a whirl. Doing well. It's been a while since I've been in. I know. I'm so glad you're here. Cool. Okay. So Tattoo Station in shade brown. We are going to use this to line our brows. And I have a new tool I'm going to show you guys this morning for our brows. Do you line your brows? Some of us have already pretty full brows, and so all we need is a little extra lining. Some of us need more help, and we have a new product coming out. It's a brow pomade, and I'll show you that on another day. Y'all have to come back and watch. That you could use this pencil to line your brows, and then take that pomade and fill it in. I'm just going to use it to just highlight and lift up. So another thing that's bringing me joy is tomorrow night, our little high school, some parents have gotten together and they are doing a small little community prom for our kids. And I thought that was so sweet. Those of you that know my boys, you know that Caden is 17. He's going to be a senior this coming year, and he's autistic and he has MECP2 duplication syndrome, so he has, you know, nonverbal and all those things. Highbrow is the new gel we're going to use. Anyway, so he is going to take his friend DJ, who is super beautiful little girl who has Down syndrome, and they are going to go to prom together. So we got his outfit all together yesterday, and he is precious. I cannot wait to share pictures with you guys. Okay, so with this gel, it's shade brown. It's kind of like the mascara for your brows. So you want to still go ahead and use your Tattoo Station liner, and then you're just going to go over those brows with this, and it's going to kind of help. I'm just brushing it upwards, and it's going to kind of be like the finisher for your brows. If you already have pretty thick, full brows and you're like, I don't really need a liner, that's totally fine. Something highbrow would be great for you to be able to kind of direct those brows, because it's going to dry a little bit harder. But this would be a great tool to direct those brows if they're kind of already thick and you're like, girl, I don't need to fill in. This is the tool that you need. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, we're going to go in with our Mono Pop in Coral colors. So nobody has anything that's bringing them joy. I need you to share your joy. Okay, we are going to pick up this light color here and this one right here, and we're going to cover the lid of our eye. I'm trying to not be on one side of your screen or the other. Let me know, Deborah, can you see me in the middle? Am I showing up in one side or the other? Something I learned about that highbrow is you want to give it just a second before you start putting eye makeup on, because you don't want to disturb it until it's dry. because you can bring it down into the lid of the eye, and we don't need any of that. Okay, so I used those two colors and I covered the lid of my eye. I'm going to take now my blending brush, and should we pull up the pinks or the peaches or browns? Let me know what you think. Which color should we pull up today? This is our shirt. We've got our lips, because lipstick brings me joy. I'm all about finding anything we can use to bring us joy. I think we're going to pull up the pinks today. Okay, so we're going to start blending with this color, and this color. Let's try it. You never know, right? So we're going to work that crease. I'm not really sure that my eyes with the dark brown is going to be able to pull this pink off, but we will give it a shot. I think we can do it. What do you think? It's looking okay so far. So let's do this side. It's not going to be super bold, which is okay to not always have bold colors. Here we go. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so to finish off, we're going to blend this coral, this pink, and this peach over here. Let's blend those down here. Oh, I think this is pretty. I don't quite look like Mimi, which is not what we're wanting to go for. I like it. What are your thoughts? Is this a look you could pull off? And I definitely think coral colors work with a brown eye. I'll get a little bit closer in just a second and let you guys see the eye look. What do you think? I like it. I like it, guys. I think we can rock that. It's not too bold, but it's still pretty. We're going to use our Super Extend liner, liquid liner. Can you see that point? And just pull that across. It just lays down on your eyes. No mess. I love a liquid liner that's not going to make a mess. Yay! Success! Here we go. Okay, can you see a difference already? That eyeliner makes such a difference if you will just line your eyes. Sweetness. Sweetness. Okay. We're going to curl our lashes. Definitely not a mandatory thing, but I'm going to do it because I like to have curled lashes. There's my secret for you. Oh, I'm missing comments. Hi, Jacqueline. Oh, matte. Deborah's like, I'm all matte. That's wonderful. Glad they can do so. Yes. Yes. Oh, peaches. Okay, good. I'm now seeing your comments. My joy right now is getting days off. Yes. Love days off. That is awesome. That is the blessing of being my own boss, is if I need to take a day off, I can. And yesterday I had to go get prom stuff together for my son. So I took the day off and I went shopping. Do you know how long it has been since I have gone shopping? Man, I just felt like stress released. I wore a mask. I social distanced. I used my Germex, but I went shopping. It was so fun. I will never again take for granted the ability to go into a store and to look at something and try it on. Got my funny mascara face going on here. Love Mascara is, oh, I have a lash. Love Mascara does all the work. It just loves on your lashes. It has a little bit of a built-in conditioner in it, so it's going to add some extra health to your lashes. It's got vitamin E oil. It's got all the good things. It's paraben, toxin-free, vegan, and it just loves on your lashes. So fun. So have you guys been able to go shopping yet? it's just the small things in life that bring us joy, right? For me, it's walking into a store and looking at something and feeling it. I love online shopping, but some days I just want to go in the store and just try things on. Okay, let me see you, let you look at these eyes with the pink and the peaches. What do you think with the mascara? Is that a color you could pull off? I'm loving it. This Mono Pop palette is really cool because there's so many color combinations that it's high pigmented, so it's going to last a long time, and it doesn't irritate your eyes because it's paraben free, toxin free. We're all paraben free and toxin free. Okay, let's do some blush. We're going to use our Cushion blush in pink since we already pulled the pink on the eyes. It just takes a little bit. We just popped in, pop, and just a little pat, pat, pat. Just gonna give those cheeks a little kiss of color. I'm loving, this brings me joy today. I'm loving this look. Okay, so let's pull a lip. What do you think? Should we pull a Remarkable, or should we pull a Devoted, or let me give you one more option. How about an Ambitious? Which one? First, second, or third? Let me know in the comments which color we should mix with our look here today. We could really kind of blend them. Looking forward to the, oh yes, Love Mascara is coming out waterproof. I'm so excited. I got it in yesterday, so I'm going to have to start trying that out for you guys. Let you see how it works. I just used that palette. I love, in those colors, yay, Crystal, I'm glad you love it. I'm in love with Mono Pop. And whether it's the corals or the browns, they are just a beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so they're saying go with Devoted. Okay. All right, sister, I'll take your recommendation. Let's go with Devoted. Cool thing about this, you have that little tip. What do we think? We are done with this pinkish look today. I hope and pray that you guys, I hope and pray that you guys find ways to bring joy to your life, that you are looking for the rainbows, even in the clouds, and that you are remembering that God is good all the time and He is with us all the time. And so just do things that bring you joy. Since I used my fresh bergamot and wild mint lotion, which you guys all need to get, these things are huge. Let me see what I can compare it to. I'll compare it to my vitamin C serum. These tubes are huge, huge, huge. Thick, creamy, smell stays with you, but it's free of all the toxins, but it also has a shower gel and a body spray. So we're going to do a little mist. Woo! And let it bring some joy in our day. So our look is finished. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please share it. Somebody else could use some makeup tips. If you want to shop for these products, you can do so at your avon.com/jwoolsey or with your local Avon representative. So I hope you all have a great day. I hope I brought some joy to your life. I love you all, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.